Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhilasha Singh and I bring to you easy breezy makeup tutorials. If you're new here, please do like, share and subscribe if you like what you see. Today I bring to you a day in the life of a bridal makeup artist and a hairstylist. I've worked in India, I've worked all over the world. Now I'm working out of America. It's the same everywhere. You know, you have to be your boss. If it's your own business, you have to be on top of the game. You have to keep working to deliver the best. At the same time, take care of yourself physically. So you know you are on your foot sometimes for 10 hours, 12 hours. And today I thought, why not record it and show it to people who would love to take this as a career. If you're new in this job, in this profession, you have to know what the reality is. I've been doing this for over, 7-8 years, and it's beautiful. I mean, it's a very beautiful feeling to doll up women on the biggest day of their lives. It's such a happy feeling. That's why probably I'm in this profession and I do it so well, because I love being there. I love being a part of the day and I love what I do. It can be tiring, it can be tedious, but you have a team or you're alone. You have to be in charge of your own marketing. You have to be in charge of your own health so you can work this and be in this profession for a longer time. No job in this world is easy. There is hard work everywhere, and this one is hard work and fun. Wouldn't you like to do it? So let's go ahead and see what my day was like. 2:30 a.m. on 3rd of Jan. However early it is in the morning, you must eat something, because you're going to be standing, working for so long. My mind doesn't work when I'm hungry. So yes, it's 2:30 in the morning, but I will still eat something. And my something is dedicate 10 minutes at least to eating before you leave for your day, because it's going to be a long day ahead. This is the sari I ironed for my bride last night. I like ironing and, pleating it and taking it for them. It's just easier. My light and my bag. And my chair is in the car. So I'm excited for my first bride of the new year. So it is 4 and we've reached at the bride's house. Time to get started. And the setup is done. Because we don't have a table. But of course I have towels for the products. Done with my bride. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. Work is already over. How cool is that? And my bride's mom packed food for me. Only 9:30 in the morning, and I am already home, changed again into my night suit. I'm gonna get my makeup off and go to sleep. And I'm gonna get up and then work again. I have a couple of calls with brides, and then video again, because I go IG live or IG stories every Sunday. Today I'm doing how to do a braid in fine or a thin hair. So, well, keep watching. Hey everyone, so it's 5:30 in the evening and I've had my little sleep time, and I will be eating, because that is very important as a makeup artist, to sustain, to be light on your feet, to move swifter. If you're a full-time makeup and a hair artist, extremely important to take care of yourself. It's not just about the skin or the hair, it's about food as well. So I'm having some healthy pancakes. These are made out of lentils and coconut oil. And after this, I will go and shoot a video for my Sunday tutorials that I do on IG, and then work some more before I finally call it a night. Pretty much, yeah. This is what I did for my IG look. It was a braid with extensions, and so that is done for the day. Now I'm going to sit and revert back to emails of my future clients and my future brides. Then I'm going to read a book. Everything has to be a part of your day. It doesn't just end you doing makeup, coming back home and your work is done. It's a constant role. You have to keep on top of everything, like I said earlier. So video done, dinner done, which I did before the video at 6 o'clock. Pretty much, yes. So summing up, if you are your own boss, it's fun. Work never ends, but it's very gratifying. It's really gratifying, and never give up. Never give up, and it takes you a lot of places. That was my day. I finished at 10 in the night, and it was amazing. I worked, I ate, I rested, I took care of myself. On weekdays, I do workout, I do meditation. Very important to be calm, very important to keep your anxiety in place. Very important, especially when you're dealing with, in 3 hours, you're creating a woman's lifetime of dream. Sometimes it gets anxious. So you have to calm yourself down, you have to work out, you have to do everything to keep your composure. So I hope you enjoyed this day in the life of a makeup artist. I'm going to see you next Tuesday with another fabulous makeup video. Till then, take care. Bye.